Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isaac, who is very passionate about poultry and piggery farming. Like I always tell you that on this channel we talk about poultry and piggery farming in all different aspects. But if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to smash the notification bell. Guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you about vaccination program, because I have been getting many people asking me questions like which disease should be vaccinated first, how about last, and that's a paralyzing question. Guys, we are going to share together, okay, the full vaccination program, okay, from day 1 to maturity with 0 mortalities, okay. So when you bring your chicks from the hatchery, make sure that your chicks are vaccinated against Malik. You can either vaccinate or not, but the problem is when Malik comes into your flock, it has no cure. So dear guys, make sure that your chicks are vaccinated against Malik from the hatchery. Chicken arrive on the farm. When you look at them, they are always sitting, standing, cause they have a lot of lactic acids in their muscles, and this is what brings fatigue. In order to control that fatigue, you give your chicken a multivitamin and glucose, most especially chick start, which is rich in vitamins, especially vitamin K, which it is very important to day 1 old chicks because it helps cure the placenta. Remember, the placenta is still dry and your chicks haven't consumed anything. So the chicken will take glucose or chick start, that is vitamin K, and even some liquid paraffin, because paraffin helps in the digestive system of the chicks, in order to poop laxatively without stool drying on anus, because when the stool dries on the anus, it blocks it, and when the anus is blocked, it means that chicks will die. So 1 day chicks should be vaccinated against Malik, and you can give them glucose liquid, paraffin for 4 days. Then 4 days, your chicken should be vaccinated against Newcastle plus IB, that is infectious bronchitis. Infectious bronchitis is the disease of the respiratory system. If it is prevented, it is better, but do not purchase Newcastle plain. So when you go look for the first dose of Newcastle from the agrovent, make sure that it is Newcastle plus IB. Remember that every after vaccination, you give a multivitamin, that is vitamin K, not antibiotics, for 4 days. Then you can also give your chicken glucose for another 4 days. So now, your chicken will be at day 8, where you chicken will be given glucose and water up to day 10. Then at day 10, your chicken should be vaccinated against intermediate gumbolo. That is the first gumbolo. Then after vaccinating from gumbolo, you then give glucose and vitamin up to day 20. Then at day 20, you give your chicken Newcastle plain. Remember, we had given our chicken at first Newcastle plus IB. So this time, you can either give them Newcastle plain or Newcastle plus IB. There is no problem. It is only that when you are vaccinating your chicken against Newcastle for the first time, it is when you give the Newcastle plus IB. Then remember that every after vaccination, make sure that you give your chicken glucose and vitamin for 8 days. So at day 28, you vaccinate your chicken against infectious coryza. Infectious coryza is the disease where eyes swell and start producing pus, and this one can affect your chicken at any stage. Then from day 28 to 44, you give them some space of 14 days. Then on day 44, your chicken should be vaccinated against fowlpox. Fowlpox is the disease where the chicken develops pimples, like on the eyelids, legs, and sometimes in the wings. But most of the people take fowlpox as an inferior disease. which is not true, because when fowlpox affects the internal organs of the birds, especially the intestines and the throat, it affects the digestive system, and your chicken will reduce weight because of the reduction in food consumption, leading to reduction in egg production and size of the chicken. So how do you administer for fowlpox? You simply open the wing and stab through. You can do it, or you can call the vet to help you. Second last, you can vaccinate against fowl typhoid, where you can give as the thigh injection. Although people say fowl typhoid is not a common disease, kindly vaccinate your chicken against fowl typhoid. That is around 2 months.
Your mother.
Last vaccine is Newcastle, but at this time it is a jab. It is either a thigh or breast injection, but do not give Lasota injection to your chicken below 4 months. Never do that. If you give your chicken that injection below 4 months, they will die and you will not like the mortality. I want to tell you guys, do timing of vaccination, most especially during evening hours and morning hours. Remember to give a vitamin after vaccination just to boost their immunity. Okay, so guys, I hope that information is going to help you. So otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, I catch you in the next upload.